Hello and welcome to an introduction to Ojibwe episode 2. I would like to say thank you, Miigwech, for joining me here again. Last time, we went over the double vowel alphabet and sounds. I know I said I was going to cover more in this lesson, but I don't want to overdo it. So, without further ado, here's a lesson on greetings. As I continue through these lessons, I will be providing some technical information about the language as well as building vocabulary. The two most common greetings you will hear are bonjour and anin. However, you should keep in mind that some people may find it rude to use anin, as the word is basically equivalent to the English word what. Most Ojibwe word sounds are comprised of a sound grouping of a consonant and a vowel. So, when sounding out unfamiliar words, try to keep this in mind. For example, the first word we covered, bonjour, starts with the sound of the B and the double O and sounds like this, boo. The second grouping is the ZH and, again, the double O, jou. Try this word with me now, boo. Jou, boo, jou, boo, jou. All right, now let's try the whole word. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour. Excellent. Now you can greet someone in Ojibwe. If you can, try to practice this word either aloud or in your head throughout the day. Now let's try sounding out the second word I presented. The syllables for this word are going to be the double A or ah sound. Next is N-double-I-N, pronounced neen. Ah, neen. Ah, neen. Ah, neen. Now, the whole word. Anin. 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 Another way to greet someone whom you may be a little more familiar with could be one of the following, depending on the time of day. You may notice on the screen I have added some other information above the word as they appear. If you don't understand them now, don't worry about it. We'll cover this information in later lessons. For now, just working on getting a functional pronunciation and understanding of the words. To say good morning, you might say Minogigajeb. More directly, it is a good morning. Let's break this word apart. Me. Me. No. No. Ge. Ge. Ga. Ga. Jeb. Jeb. All right, great job. Let's pull these parts a little more together. Minnow, 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 gigajeb, gigajeb, gigajeb. Let's try the whole sentence now. Minnow gigajeb. Minnow gigajeb. Minnow gigajeb. There you go. You're starting to get it. Feel free to pause this video at any point and work on any of the words we're working on, or go back and listen again. Remember, we're working at your pace, not mine. So take your time and remember to smile. Another greeting you might try is good day, or minogijigud. Directly translated to it is a good day. First, we'll look at all the small pieces together. Me. Me. No. No. Gi. Gi. J. J. Gud. Gud. Now we can start pulling them together. Minnow. 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 Gijigud. 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 Okay, now we can practice the whole thing together. Let's see how this goes. Minogijigud. 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 Right on. Keep it up like this, then we can really start to have fun. The last word for this set is good night, used as a greeting or statement of fact. Minodibicud, or it is a good night. Once again, I will first break it down to its sound components. Me. Me. No. No. De. De. Be. Be. Cud. Cud. You must be a pro at the minnow part of these words by now. Let's bring it together some. Minnow. 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 Dibicud. 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 Outstanding. Let's get the whole statement now. Minodibicud. 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 Aha. Next, I would like to point out that there is no Ojibwe word for goodbye. One of the most common phrases to use when leaving someone's company is gigawabamin. Directly, we will see each other. Now it's time to break it apart and put it back together. Gi. Gi. Ga. Ga. Wa. Wa. B. B. Min. Min. Now let's try the whole phrase. Gi, ga, wa, b, min. Gigawabamin. Gigawabamin. A more informal parting phrase you could use is simply to say, nagaj, approximately, later. Na. Na. Gudge. Gudge. Nagudge. 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 So, to review, today the words we looked at were Boozhoo, Anin, Minogigajeb, Minogijigud, Minodibicud, Gigawabamin, and Nagudge. That will do it for my lesson on greetings. Next time, I plan on going into introductions. Until then, remember, do your best, don't stress, and above all, have fun. Gigawabamin, next time on Ojibwe Basics. Nagaj.